So you might be trying to figure out how you can make a highlight on Instagram. Now, luckily for you, it's a really basic process and it doesn't really take too much time at all. So to get started, what you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and make your way over into your Instagram application. So hop inside of Instagram, and what we're going to want to do is we want to go ahead and basically find our next particular post that we want to make. So whatever we want to highlight, what we want to do is we want to make our way over to our side story right here. And you can either import a photo that you already have, or you can just take a photo. In this case, I'll just go ahead and find a photo that I like. So in this case, I'll just go and post this one onto my story. So I'll go ahead, take this photo, and I will post this onto my story right here. So you will have to do that in order to actually go through and actually make a highlight. So kind of keep that in mind. Now next up, what you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and click onto your profile photo at the very top left and bring into this particular photo. Now what you can do here is, if you want to, you can click on the bottom right, which says more right here. You can tap onto here and you'll see a lot of things that basically come up. But you will also see this highlight option that's right here. So all you're going to want to do here is tap onto highlight, and your highlight options will basically come up right here. So if you want to make it like a highlight, all you're going to have to do is tap onto where you want to post that highlight at, or make a new highlight, and that will then be posted onto your highlights. So now what you can do is make your way over to your post panel right here, your profile page, and you'll see your highlights are right here. If you tap on it, you will now see the highlights that you basically have. And you can see, if you scroll through, you'll see the new highlight that you posted. And that's basically all you're going to have to do. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, till then.